watch me shine. Eye on the sky, no fear, no doubt, I'll never cry.
The video you just finished watching was created using just a single prompt and one single AI tool. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how Freebeat.ai, the world first AI music video agent, transforms raw audio track into a cinematic, high quality music video in just a few clicks. Creating professional music videos used to be one of the biggest challenges for music creators. This often meant spending weeks editing footage in dark rooms, investing thousands of dollars on camera, lighting equipment, and manually synchronizing every single beat together. But today, this is starting to change. Hi, I'm Zara, and I plug you to AI tools that makes you work smarter. If you are new here, consider subscribing because massive value awaits you. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. You are my real MVP. Now let's dive right into the video. Let me show you how easy it is to convert your song into a full video that can make you money over and over and over again. Grab the link to this platform in the video description or pinned comment. Now click on make free video at the top right corner and sign in using your Google account. It will bring you right here. First of all, at the right hand side, top right, claim your free credits. So I'm just going to do that right now. Once that is done, at the center of the screen, you will see all the features you have access to in order to make your video. Now click on add music and you can select from any of the music you find in Freebeat's library right here. But if none of them catches your fancy, you can upload your own music from your device. But there's another method. At the bottom right corner, you see that you can upload a music link, and this supports SoundCloud, YouTube, Suno, Audio, TikTok, Stable Audio, and Refusion. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using one of the songs I created and I've already posted it on YouTube. So I'm just going to look for it. This is it right here. And I'll click on the share icon. Then I copy the link. Then we'll bring the link back to Freebeat right here. And I'm just going to paste the link right here. And there's a tiny enter button beside the link. I'll click it and it begins to decode our music immediately. And now we have this particular section where we can select the exact part of the music we would like to create video for. So you can play it to make sure that you have the right section. You can adjust the slider to get the exact length of audio you want. And right at the bottom, you see the duration. Once you're good, click on confirm. Now that the audio has been successfully added, the next thing is for us to select a character. So I'm going to click on character right here. You can upload your own character from your device, upload two of your character and select it. You can also select from the tons of beautiful characters that is here. And I'm just going to select this lady with the red hair right here. And I click on confirm. Select your desired aspect ratio depending on the platform you want to post it to. I'm going to select 1080p resolution. For the video style, I will go with energetic and realistic. This particular one right here, you can select any one that you like. I'll click on upload. Next is caption. So click here and it will show you tons of captions that are available. You can select any one of them and play the video right here so that you can see what it will look like on your video. If you like it, you can just confirm. So I'll go with this very first one right here. And I click on add lyrics and that has been added to our video. Now we have two options to generate our video. We have the fast and we have the expert. So I'll go with the expert and I'll leave this on auto because I want everything done automatically. And for privacy, I want my video private, so I'll select private. Now let's go to the text box. We can input our prompt right here. You can type anything you want to see in your video, add how you want your video to be generated, and the AI agent automatically makes more suggestions
which you can just click on the tab and it will add that to your prompt. So all I want here is just about 70 to 80% of lip sync, and I want the video to be energetic and passionate. So I'm just going to type that, and that's it. Nothing more. Now I'm just going to click on the create button, and we're going to wait patiently for the AI agent to get to work and start generating our video for us without any extra input.
While the AI agent is at work, let me use this opportunity to tell you to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more awesome and amazing content like this. It is free to like and subscribe, but it helps me keep bringing you more tutorials like this. Now let's continue.
I'm invincible, fire in my veins, walking through storms like it never rains. Stronger than I've ever been. Watch me now, I rise again. Every scar has made me wise, battle born with fearless eyes. Took the pain, turned it to gold. Now I write the story bold. Tears may fall and I'm alone, but you'll never hear cry.
One thing I immediately noticed is how smoothly the scenes transition from one shot to another. The editing feels seamless and almost like the kind of transition you would create manually in After Effects. The lip sync is so perfect, you will think that this was created by a full movie crew. The visuals also match the energy and style of the music extremely well. And remember, we didn't provide any complex instruction. Freebeat.ai is able to analyze the tone, the rhythm, and mood of the song and build visuals around it automatically. Don't forget to grab the link to Freebeat.ai in the video description and try this platform out and let me have your feedback. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comment section. I'll do well to attend to them, and let me know where you're watching me from. Till I come your way next time, I remain your girl Zara, and I'll see you in my next video. But before you go, do well to check out some of my previous videos and you definitely won't be disappointed.